So what's your perspective on global warming?
My perspective? I look out the window.
No, I mean for the future.
I'm a realist, and it doesn't look much like global warming out there today.
Well, looking out the window is one perspective maybe, but mine is to be better informed, and the scientific data definitely shows that it'll get a lot warmer in the future.
Nah, winter's just starting. It'll be cold for a long time yet.
No, I mean in the future, because we're causing global warming. Have a look at this chart. Temperature rose after the Ice Age, but it's been pretty stable for the last 10,000 years. And now it's just starting to rise again. Well, we could use some warmer temperatures around here. Maybe a palm tree or two would be nice. But think about when it started to rise again. What do you mean? Temperature has been rising since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution.
So, temperature goes up and down. Doesn't mean we caused it. Besides, doesn't look much like global warming out there.
The thing is, it's because we've been spewing out so much CO2. Temperature and CO2 have been marching upwards together since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Your chart only shows about a 1 degree change. Temperature's not doing much. Maybe 1 degree isn't much yet, but it's a proven fact that CO2 is a greenhouse gas and causes temperature to rise.
Looks pretty much like an ice age out there to me.
For most of Earth's history, it's been way warmer and way more humid than it is today. So it'll get hotter out there.
Geez, what is this? Just because it was hot 100 million years ago doesn't mean it's going to get hot out there tomorrow.
Well, maybe not immediately, but it will get hotter. And when it does, the sea level will rise. Surely you don't disagree with that, too. I'm looking at this chart, and it's in centimeters, not meters. No problem. Well, maybe the temperature's only gone up a degree or so since 1880. But if it goes up another 3 or 4 degrees, it could melt all of the ice on the Earth.
A piffle.
Well,
your chart shows that we're
already maxed out for sea level. If all of the ice melted, the sea level could rise as much as 70 or 80 meters higher than it is today. So there. Look what happens to Florida if the sea only rises 50 meters. These cities are less than 70 meters above sea level, and they represent more than half the population of the US. Maybe we can stop it by controlling CO2. Anyway, from my perspective, what do I care? My house is 270 meters above sea level. For sure, the people on the coast will care, but not me. Technology will be developed to solve the problem. Always has, always will. A 2-meter rise by 2100 is a genuine possibility, but it won't be a total meltdown for a long time yet. Nevertheless, from my perspective, let's hope the politicians do act and those millions of people never have to find higher ground and never have to find our house. Our perspectives may not be the same. But we agree that global warming is real, and we should do something about it. The question is, what should we do?